Hello everyone, this is Paul with another video, and we're just going to have a quick, or I should say quick video, but it might not be quick. We're going to open another Hot Pursuit from Greenlight. We're going to open one piece that I found. It's only one, but in the process, what I always like to do is I like to show some other models first. And we're just going to show you some police cars that we have in the collection. So the first one you're looking at is, I believe that's a 1974 Dodge Monaco. I think this is the Canadian police, I think. In this blue, 1974 Dodge Monaco. You got the little pumpkin light on the roof there. So there's that one. Then here is another Dodge Monaco. I think this is a 77 Dodge Monaco. And this is the Massachusetts State Police. You got the same little pumpkin light on the roof. And then we got this one, the Chicago Police. If you remember Blues Brothers. You have this one right here. Chicago Police Department. I believe this is a 74 Dodge Monaco. Greenlight does a great job with these. Here's another 74. And here's another Chicago Police. This might be an older deco on this one. And you got the little push bar in the front there. And this push bar could be straightened down as a little gollywampus. And then we got this one, the California Highway Patrol, which I know is a lot of people's favorite. It's black and white. The nice light bar on top there. It's kind of a newer style light bar. And then we are going to look at, these are some Dodge Diplomats, I believe. Oh, this is a 1982 Plymouth Grand Fury. And this is the Detroit Police. I think this came out of Beverly Hills Cop, the first one, I think. And pretty cool piece. There's that one. Then here's the 1985 Dodge Diplomat U.S. Air Force Security Police. And this white with the blue stripes on there. That's like the navy blue stripes. Hope you're enjoying these police cars. There's that one. And the one we're going to open up. I already cut the package open. And it's this one, the 1983 Dodge Diplomat from Hot Pursuit. This is the State Trooper. Series 45 already. Limited edition. And if you want to look at that, that's all the ones that came in the set. And let's see. See if we can find it on here. 1983 Dodge Diplomat. Let's see, I don't see it. It says Florida Highway Patrol, USA, 83. Let's just open it. Sorry about that. Pause. But here it is. It says State Trooper on there. Let's see what it says on the door. Let's see if I can read it better on the back. Yeah, Florida Highway Patrol. It says Florida Highway Patrol. It says State Trooper. It's a nice cream color on the top there. Oops, got a little interruption there, but it's a cool light bar. Cool painted details on the front with the chrome bumper. Chrome bumper in the back. Nice tail lights. I don't know, that might be an inserted piece. Prototypical police rims, metal beige, rubber tires. And this is the Florida Highway Patrol, or you could say State Trooper. And a very cool piece from Greenlight. And there you go. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and all these police cars. Thank you again for watching, and leave in the comments, tell me which one is your favorite. I know you have a favorite. Thank you again for watching, and have a great rest of your day. And see ya.